Hi guys, let me introduce you Implant Swiss regular surgical kit. The kit has different section, drill section, prosthetic drivers, implant drivers, parallel pin and depth gauges. Altogether different implant drivers for 2.9 diameter implant and the ratchet. The drill has first is a marking drill. The marking drill is used to mark the osteotomy site. This is especially helpful for multiple osteotomies. Then there is a lance drill, which is a 2.2 diameter drill. Lance drill will penetrate the cortical bone and gain an access to underlying trabecular bone. Following a lance drill is a pilot drill. The pilot drill ensures that the the shavings of cortical bone are not entrapped in osteotomy site and they are collected. The osteotomy drills are 2.8 diameter bone milling drill. Now this drill has lateral flutes which ensures a better osteotomy, reducing the load on subsequent diameter drills. 2.8 drill, the drills are implant diameter specific and color coded. The color codes are for 3.3 diameter implant, it is white. 3.7 diameter implant, it is green. 4.3 diameter implant, blue. 4.8 diameter implant, it is red. And 5.5 diameter implant is yellow coded. The length, this is self-stoppered drills, and lengths available are 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter, and 14 millimeter. The next available drills are neck drills. Neck drills are especially helpful for preparing cortical portion in cases of compromised bones densities. The neck drill will prepare only the cortical portion of the compromised bone density osteotomy sites, avoiding over preparation of the osteotomies and hence gaining a better primary stability. Neck drills are also color coded. They are available as white for 3.3 narrow platform diameter implant, 3.7 green, 4.3 blue, 4.8 red, and for 5.5 it is yellow. Then the prosthetic drivers are available as motor driven and manual driver. Motor driven driver which can be attached to your handpiece, and you can give a control torque for attaching your prosthetic components. And manual drivers are used for manual application of the torque. The drivers are available in different length, short and long. Long that can be used for anterior locations and short that can be used in the posterior location or at the sites which are difficult to access. The Implant Swiss is the only system providing so many of the prosthetic drivers. Then another highlight of this kit is that they have different drivers for different level of implant. The tissue level drivers are used for tissue level implant which has a octagonal connection. These are red color coded. So please remember, red implant driver is used for tissue level implant. This can also be remembered as tissue level implant have their color ending in the soft tissue which can be correlated to the color red. Then the regular bone implant drivers, these are blue color coded, and 3.3 bone level drivers are used for 3.3 narrow diameter implant. So this is a diameter specific driver. Okay. And the next thing is these are also available as manual drivers and motor driven drivers. Also, these are available in different length, that is short and long. If we compare the long motor driven driver, I attached it to this handles, and a long manual driver, and if I compare the lengths, so you can see there is a minute difference in their length, which can be beneficial for different mouth opening or different access in your oral cavity. This facilitates easier use and the drivers are actually user friendly. The next is a paralleling pin. Paralleling pin is used to verify direction of your osteotomy. In case of multiple osteotomies, the paralleling pin can also be used to verify parallelism of your osteotomies. The next is a depth gauge. The depth gauge can be used for determining the depth or length of the osteotomy. The depth gauge has different marking which can be verified radiographically, and we can verify whether the osteotomy has reached to the desired length. The depth gauge has different marking as 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm and 14 mm. Another highlight of the system is the depth gauges are available in two diameters, 3.7 and 4.3. So 3.7 and 4.3 are the most commonly used sizes for implants. So these can also be used to verify the primary stability of the osteotomy site. Then they have given altogether different implant driver for 2.9 diameter implant, a motor driven and manual, and these are gray color coded. The ratchet has a highlight that to change the direction of the torque, we don't need to flip the ratchet. We can just shift the arm and change the direction of the torque. Another specification is when I attach a manual driver, I need to lock this key, and this ensures the intimate contact between the driver and key, which doesn't allow the driver to fall. So specifications of this kit is the drills are color coded and the drivers are also color coded, which makes it user friendly, especially in case of multiple osteotomies. The ratchet ensures that there is a specific application of the torque, and the ratchet is also user friendly, and the drills are extra sharp, tripod shaped, so that there is a better osteotomy preparation.